Meet the latest fitness sensation sweeping Instagram, making a cool $10,000 a month, and she doesn't even break a sweat. Why? Because she's not real. She's a 25-year-old fitness guru which is crafted entirely using the kind of AI tools that you usually find online, and they are completely free. And before you ask, no, she doesn't need to recharge after a workout. Nor does she have any post-workout smoothie recipes to share. She's part of a growing army of AI influencers who are quite literally making millions of dollars while being absolutely fabulous bits of code. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through a sweat-free world of creating your own AI influencer using free AI tools. So if you want me to make this kind of videos in future, please go ahead and like the video, and let's jump into the first step, which is collecting our source of image. For this step, you can use a variety of AI tools, but for this example, I'm going to use a powerful AI tool called Leonardo.ai. So we go to this website, Leonardo.ai, and here you can see there is a button here, create an account. So you go ahead and make your account here. So here I am in the dashboard area of Leonardo.ai, and at the top here, there is a section, type a prompt. So here in this prompt area at the top, I type a 23-year-old girl, beautiful and attractive, with black eyes and blurred background looking at the camera. And then I click generate to make the image. So after a few seconds, this AI is making 4 photos for me based on the prompt. Alright, here I have 4 great photos that are really realistic and look like real people. I think they are perfect for creating my own AI influencer here. So here I choose the second one because I think it looks really good, and it really looks amazing because it's very similar to real person. And now I download this image and use it for the next steps. For the next step, I'm going to use another AI tool to make a variety of photos related to this source image we have, and also use it in different situations that we can use for our different Instagram posts. For example, imagine you want to make an Instagram post where your influencer is riding a bike, or another post, maybe you want your influencer to be at the gym working out. We are going to use Google and type focus collab. And here in the search, we click Google Collab. Now we go to another page here, which is called Focus Collab. And here, there is actually a section here with a play button. And we click this play button and this page comes out. So when this pop-up message comes here, you go and you click the run anyway. So after that, this AI tool starts getting installed and it would be ready for us to do our image generation. After some time, you see this link running on public URL. So you click that. So after that, we come to this page where we can use this AI to make our images here. So now I go and choose this input image section here. And in this section, there are different tabs. I choose the image prompt. So here I go to the image that we created in the beginning and put it here. So now we have our image here. I just go to the advanced section at the bottom, and here there are different options. I choose face swap because we want our face on different bodies. So I go here and click the generate button. So here at the top, you can see how AI is creating the image for us.
One eternity later.
Alright, our first image is created and it looks really amazing and very similar. And it's also making another image for us. Okay, great. So here these 2 images are quite well and were very similar to our source image, but I'm going to choose the first one here. So I'm going to download it as a different photo for my AI influencer. The next step is to create our AI influencer in different settings. For this one, I'm choosing a photo which shows a girl riding a bike. And I want the AI to take my AI influencer head and put it on that setting riding a bike. So what I do here, I choose face swap for my AI influencer. And for the second photo, I choose Pirakani. After that, I click the generate button and wait for AI to do its magic. So here we can see how AI is creating the photo based on our source image. And now we have our first image created and it's making the second image. Here we have 2 images created for us, but the second one, the eyes especially, don't look like a real person. it's obvious it's created by AI. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is quite similar, and it shows our AI influencer riding a bike in a great, beautiful jungle. So I'm going to save this one. And now I want to create our AI influencer working out at the gym. So for this situation, I'm going to put another image here, which shows a girl working out at the gym. So here you can see that I put this photo of another girl actually in the gym. Now I do the same process, face swap, and I choose Piracani for the second image. So after a while, when the AI is making the photo, you can see that it just tries to adjust it. So after some time, our two images are created here. All right, we have two images here, but I think the second one is working out, but it's not in the gym. It's just in a outdoor area. But I'm going to choose the first one, which is quite similar in face also to our AI influencer and working out at the gym. So I save this one as well. Now we have a variety of photos for our AI influencer in different settings and in different situations. You can do the same process for our AI influencer, for example, eating out in a restaurant or swimming in the pool or any situation that you want, and have different Instagram posts for these different situations. Another cool thing we can do with our AI influencer is to make some videos about it. So what we can do is to go back to our leonardo.ai website, and here if you click the image, there is a button here called generate motion video. It's a new feature with leonardo.ai, and it let us to make some videos based on our photos. So I just click this one and I go here to this section that asks me for different settings. I just leave it as it is and just go and click generate. So after a few seconds, the AI creates the video for us. I think it did really a great job. I think now we have a short video of our image. And of course, it's not going to be 100% like real videos of real people, but we have to keep in mind that AI is making lots of improvements now in video generation. And I'm sure that soon the AI will create very great videos that look like real life people. I think this video is great, so I save it. We can do many generations with these videos and see which one is really best and choose that one. So now we have a bunch of photos and videos for our AI influencer, and now we can start having an Instagram account and a TikTok account and start posting regularly and use our AI influencer in different settings. So what we need to do is to post consistently, like 3 times a week, and little by little we start having audience and a lot of fans. And as you get more and more popular, big companies will come to you and ask you to promote their products. And that's when you start making a lot of money with your AI influencer. To give you an example how much you can make with these AI influencers, let's look at some of the examples. For example, let's look at Aitana, a great AI influencer, and she's making, according to her creator, around 10,000 euros per month. And also it's amazing to know that its creator is charging over 1,000 euros per any advertisement. Another AI influencer who is making a lot of money is Lil Mequela, and now she's making over $20,000 per any Instagram post for promotion and advertisement. It's amazing to know that AI is growing so fast, and soon we will not only have AI influencers but also AI actors or AI singers. So let's use this opportunity to your benefit and start making money online using these AI influencers. If you are interested in more videos with making money with AI, I have other videos you can check in my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel for great videos in future. So until next time, goodbye and take care.